Good morning or good afternoon if you're joining us from the UK. I'm Jared Dienda, and I'm here at Race Service. So grab a cup of coffee or grab a libation, depending on where you are watching us from. Again, I'm here at Race Service, and this is our 7th View from Home Hot Wheels Legends Tour, presented by our presenting sponsor Mobil 1, where your car can become a Hot Wheels diecast. Now, this stop at and look at home is hosted by Car Throttle. If you don't know what Car Throttle is, you're about to find out, because myself and our judges are going to find out who not only wins this round, but we have 2 winners that are going to the Legends finale in November here in Los Angeles, because we're going to have 10 vehicles representing the U.S. and 10 vehicles representing the U.K., so we're going to get a winner for both countries. So that's going to be amazing. Also, we have the Mobil 1 fan favorite, and of course, Car Throttle is going to pick theirs. That's all about bragging rights, but who's going to join us at the end? So you guys submitted these 20 vehicles we're featuring today. Escort Kazi RS Turbo up. You guys love the exoskeleton vehicles, so there's another. Of course, Alex, you get to choose one. No pressure, bro. The Car Throttle pick, that's for bragging rights. Here is number 6 of 10.
Yes! Oh my God!
Of our, look at Alex, his jaw dropping here. Carl Blazer, this 1993 BMW 325i exoskeleton roll cage. A lot of exoskeleton vehicles out there. This is powered by a twin-turbo LS, making 1,200 horsepower. Corvette Z06 brake calipers and rotors, carbon fiber spoiler, drag race. It has a chute. This thing has a parachute on it, rightfully so. 65 degrees of steering lock for drifting, 4 aluminum bucket seats. Oh, dude. More smiles for more miles. Got that big snuffleupagus Holly intake manifold. Magnus, I'm going to go to you because this looks like something you would love to mash on across the bridge here in L.A. and just get all the looks, just your hair and beard flowing in the wind. Looks like we're muted. Are we muted, mate? And the license plate says, hell yeah. Is that your response? He's throwing up the horns. Okay, you know what? No words needed. Queen Bee, Becky, going to you. What do you think of the exoskeleton movement, and this one in particular?
It's cray, isn't it? Like, it just makes you, I mean, how far has it come from the original car? You see a picture of it there, and then to go from that to this, and how has he managed to cram in so much engine, so much steering lock? It's like, he's gone crazy on it. But the thing that I love about it is it's quite clearly his vision. It's quite clearly something that he spent a lot of time putting together and making sure that it works. And yeah, as a drift car, it'd be crazy. I think it's mental. I don't like when I look at it, I'm just like, what? But that's why I think it would make a crazy little Hot Wheels, because it's so unique.
Yeah, no, bashing doors. Alex, again, your jaw dropped, your hand went up. I apologize, I didn't see it. But Alex, going to you.
This is wild. It's incredible. I love the E36 shape already, and this is the encapsulation for me of garage spirit. There is nothing more built not bought than this. It's absolutely wild. It's incredible. Getting 1,200 horsepower out of it as well. The ultimate drift car. Matt, I could talk so long about this that I could write a thesis because I love it so much. The owner, I just want to give him like a socially distanced hug and just say thank you, well done. It's amazing.
Magnus, going back to you, are you unmuted, my friend? And what purpose does the parachute serve?
You know, this is what I was saying before I realized I was muted. This has been in the wind, turbo fever, got boost brigade. It's got all of that. It's forced induction. It's go fast. It's fun. It's what everyone said it is. It's unique. And it's the guy's vision of how he wants to go down the road having fun. So, Turbo Fever, I'm rocking the horns.
Again, the license plate says, hell yeah. Rio, going to you. Could this be a Hot Wheel?
100%, yeah, definitely. I love this car. First time I saw the video, I was like, WTF. But I would have not expected to see the exoskeleton type car based on the E36. But it has a great story. It seems like this guy is really enjoying the build, and the favorite part is this is also like purpose built too. Like after he built it, he's drifting it in it and doing the donuts and things like that. If I fit him, I want to take it to like safer place and then just to rip it and just to have fun with it. So yeah, this is really 100% Hot Wheels.
Exactly. Klaus the Barbarian. So you can look him up there, Alex, and give him a big virtual social distancing hug there for Klaus the Barbarian. Hell yeah, let her rip, tater chip, like my boy Cletus McFarland says.
In third place, I picked the 93 BMW 325i because, I mean, it's a one of one, and the whole concept of Hot Wheels for me is collectible. Do you know, like you want to have the one that nobody else has, and this is a really, you know, idiosyncratic build. Like whoever this guy is, he knows how to build a car, and he definitely knows how to slap some personality on there as well. So that was in third for me, and then in second.
And the number 2 is gonna be the 1993 BMW 325, the exoskeleton car. So this is Alex's favorite car. So Alex pretty much said everything I was gonna say, anyways. But yeah, this is really like outrageous and kind of outside of the box thinking, really creative. And I would have never expected to see exoskeleton car based on the E36. And look at it, you know, those turbos sticking out. It's so Hot Wheels. Yep. And again, this is a purpose built. I mean, he enjoyed building this car too, but he also enjoyed doing the donuts and the crazy stuff. So this is great. The points is really high on this one. So
I'm wondering what the parachute is for. Like, is that when he just launches?
Just in case.
Yeah, I guess when he launches in Thelma Louise is a thing. I don't know, but a great pick, an awesome car. What do you got?
Right, number 1, it has to be, without doubt. Everyone else is wrong if they don't say it. The 1993 BMW 3 Series, aka Klaus. For me, this is just ultimate built not bought. This has got to be, you know, the ultimate expression of what a Hot Wheels car should be. Imagine this scaled down. You know, if we rewind 25 years, I'm a 10-year-old boy. I've got one of these in my pocket. I'll be chased around the playground because everyone wants to play with it. I think it is wicked, and I would love to rip it, and I'd love to have it as a diecast as well. That is a very worthy winner.
We get it. You just want an engine on wheels. We get it.
Yeah. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, it's definitely an awesome car. All right, move so much as we are excited to keep the Legends Tour competition going, as I'm making sure I want to get the date right. November 5th. November 5th is our next Hot Wheels Legends Tour stop. On behalf of all the judges, all the staff here at Race Service, thank you to our presenting sponsor, Mobile One, and of course, our partner, Walmart. I'm Jared Dienda. We'll see you online, or we'll see you another time. Thanks for joining us here at Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Peace. Send it. Hot Wheels.
Choose the rock on. Thank you very much.